How to always show time and basic info on your lock screen for your Nothing phone with Android 15 Nothing OS 3. To find this feature and turn it on, go ahead and use two fingers like this and do a full swipe down, and you'll get access to the settings toggle as quick as possible. Tapping here one time will take you to the main settings, then go to where it says lock screen, this option right here. Once in the lock screen section, you'll pass all this, and to the near bottom you'll see always on display. They changed it up a little bit since Android 15 and it's now called always on display. Now that you tap here, you'll be taken to this section here, and before the only option was to simply just always show the time and everything. So this option here, once it's turned on, and I'll show you here quickly what it does. Basically this right here, time, date, and your battery percentage here, just for you new users. And of course, if you don't want it playing all the time, which is going to consume more power, you can choose a single tap to show it. So instead of it having being on all the time, a single tap, or just have it turn on from a set time of the day and an end time, which turns it off at the end time based on the schedule you set on. And it's up to you to make this decision here. And that's that. Like and sub. You can turn it off if you don't like it at all.